Watch out, he's taking everything. What?
Hey guys, welcome to my house. Yeah, come on in.
Hey guys, yo, what's up? It's E here, or Eli, and this is my friend Ashton. That's who's just the weird dude. And this is my friend Jeff and my friend Casey. And then I have another friend here, but he doesn't want to be in the video, or his name said. So
his name is Talon.
But I'm just not gonna show him in the video.
Don't jump on this.
I'm not gonna show you him in the video. So.
Bobby, I thought this was gonna be.
Yeah, I'm just doing a vlog. Well.
Bobby, I thought this was gonna be.
Obviously.
Not yet.
Okay. But you'll see him later, and yeah, we have a bird here. We have a bird. Watch this. Watch this.
Yeah, let's leave. Like this. Go up to it, and then you can hold it. Watch. He'll get up.
Ooh.
Get on.
Get on, birdie.
Do you remember when he landed on my head?
Nice.
Whoa, I got a bird on me. Guys, I got a bird on me.
How'd you do that?
Whoa.
Come on, man.
Get onto that.
You
Get
just
on.
gotta go. Yeah.
Whoa, now Jeremy has a bird on. Jeff.
Wait. Do not bounce the ball in there. They'll spill. I'm gonna die.
Okay, well, that's the parrot moment. Guys, I'm gonna have a parrot on my shoulder. I'm gonna be a pirate if it works.
It's not a parrot. It's a cocktail.
I don't care. It's a parrot now.
What's his name?
Jasper.
Say be Jasper. Say be Jasper.
You need his permission to be on the videos.
Oh, do I have your permission, bro?
Yes.
Say be a Jasper, bro.
Be Jasper. Wait, they can hear you, just so you know.
I know. Hi.
Dude, the parrot's dope.
You got my permission to be in video. I'm going.
Wait, no, I want to walk with him on my shoulder. Oh, I got a parrot on my shoulder. This is dope. Dude, I don't get how parrots can, like, do stuff. It feels weird on my shoulder, like. I don't care. Dude, this is dope.
Jeff, whatever you do, don't
Okay,
put your
well,
head in the corner in between the
we're done with the parrot, so.
Hey guys, this is Dre, a widow puppy, and I'm gonna be playing with him. Hello, Dre.
Look at that derp face. He's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, he's licking the camera.
Look at his little stubby arms. Dre, are you okay? I used to have a dog. Well, my grandma had a dog. And I once, like, touched his nose and he bit me.
Sad, depressing stories with Eli.
Oh. Now he's gonna eat me. He's tasting me first, though.
Oh!
He's gonna eat. Hey guys, the doggy. Dre, look, Dre, look. You can see yourself. Whoa, look. Okay, this is my friend. Subscribe to his channel. He's gonna shout it out right now.
It's Yellow Taltal 22, capital YELA.
You gave me almost 2 shots.
TAL 22.
Yeah, well,
Thanks for subbing.
it will be in the description. Go subscribe. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Peace out. Have a good day. Subscribe, like the video, share. Also, go check out
We love
this
you.
meme account. Say your meme account. Say your meme account.
The sketchy memers on Instagram.
Yeah, ketchymemers on Instagram. Go check them out. It'll most likely be in the description down below. Well. Oh my goodness.
Have a good day.
See ya.